friends, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Trends by Lisi and you are absolutely welcome to my channel. If you love makeup, you can just go ahead and subscribe down below. So before we jump into the video today, I want to show you all the products that I use to achieve this look. So Fit Me foundation is not my right shade, but just because of the purpose of the video, I use this. I'm not going outside. Yes, so this is the foundation that I use and it's way lighter. It's a Fit Me foundation. My setting spray, this is the setting spray that I use and it's from the brand Amuse. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Another primer, the lip combo that I use, this on the inner portion and this on the outer portion of my lips. LA Girl concealer as usual, and this. So these are what I use for my brows, and the foundation at the top. Fit Me press powder. So yes, these are all the things that I use to achieve this look. And oh, my eye pencil for beneath my eye. So this is the eye pencil that I use. Minimum products, and let's get right into the video. But before I jump into the video, please remember to subscribe to the video, leave a comment in the comment section, let's interact, and yeah, I'll see you at the end of the video. Bye. leave a comment in the comment section. And yeah, until then, go and be looking yourself.